In the icy shadow of the Great Wall, the dead rise again. The Night King, cold and relentless, commands his undead dragon to bring doom upon Westeros. As the flames of ice tear through ancient defenses, the realm of men stands in awe and fear. This isn't just art. This is a digital resurrection of Game of Thrones' most chilling moment. Witness the scale, the drama, and the cold fury brought to life in Photoshop. If you love epic fantasy scenes and want to see the Night King's wrath frozen in time, stay tuned as we break down this dark masterpiece, frame by frame.